Okay, this is my first official walkthrough of the empty place before I move in. These are plants the landlord's coming to get. I knew my cats would probably tear them up, so she's taking them. But here is my lovely front porch. I'm going to put like a chair and tables and maybe one of those outdoor sofas. Oh, and I already bought my reindeer up here. Cuteness. But look at, I already met a neighbor next door. He's got lights on his house, lights over there. I won't be the only house on the street with lights up. But I'm going to do this kind of fast, so it's not a 5-hour video. But look at the beautiful windows. All the windows are newer vinyl windows, but they kept the original detail of the Craftsman house, because this is a 1910 Craftsman. Then these windows by the door, they're really cool. They're frosted, so nobody can see in. So now this door, I'm going to ask her if I can paint it. I'm not sure if she replaced it and just didn't paint it or what, but it's kind of funny. But this room does not have a ceiling light, so it's kind of dark in here right now. But this bedroom, I think it's probably the bigger of the three, but I am a vampire who likes to sleep in, so I'm thinking I may make the second bedroom my bedroom. But now that I look at this, I think it is a lot bigger. I may measure it, but we'll see. This would also make a nice office music room, so, and it's got pretty green walls. Then it's got this built-in wardrobe here. Apparently there were pretty much not a whole lot of storage space in here. And then somebody changed things up in the 40s. And then Sarah, my new landlord, did some things like added newer knobs and stuff. But there's all this storage space here. And there's a big cubby hole up there. But let's go, and there's blinds in every window. But this is the beautiful, huge living room, dining room. Isn't that amazing? But again, there's no light on this ceiling, and I can't figure out how to turn that one on. I haven't found the switch yet. But I will likely, that's a rug I just got. I'm just letting it kind of expand itself. I'm likely going to have my TV over here, and then the futon here, and then behind it my big room divider from IKEA, my Expedite wall unit. And then this area will probably be, I don't really know what this will be yet, but we'll figure out. I've got so much space here. Beautiful windows. There's a wide sill here so the kitties can sit here and perch and look out the window. And then she left this bookcase that I can fill up with stuff. Let's see what else. Let's go walk into the kitchen. This is kind of dining room kitchen area. I'll probably just get like kind of a bar height table here and a couple of chairs. The kitchen is awesome. My other kitchen is so cramped and tiny. And this one is big enough to, I could put an island here for even more prep space. But look at all that counter space. And then there's beautiful cupboards with tons of cupboard space. I mean, these cupboards are amazing. No little hidden corners like the crappy ones I have there. But look at all that space. So cool. And then lots of drawers. There's like, holy cow, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drawers, 8 drawers. Then there's the under sink cabinet, these cabinets, these cabinet. I mean, I'm so excited about the kitchen. And this awesome sink and a dishwasher. And look how high the ceilings are. And see the crown molding? She put all that in when she bought the house a few years ago. It's kind of funny that there's like 2 lights here. I'm not sure what that's going on. But nice brand new fridge. It's only a year old. And I did bring up pretty much all my condiments so far. And some of my freezer contents from the garage. Oh, that's cool. There's actually a light in the freezer. That's very cool. A lot of this will be in my outside freezer that'll be in the garage. I'm going to go back to the utility room. This is something I'll probably change because this light is just so bright. But she said this was an old porch light because this room didn't actually used to be here. As you can tell, that's like the roof of a porch. But in the 40s, whoever owned this renovated. And the one thing they did that just made me like go over and doing crazy is look at all this cupboard space they put in here. So just tons of storage down here, over here, back here. I mean, look how deep that is. There's so much storage space. And then even cooler is look at over here. There's this whole pantry of just like all kinds of stuff that can go in here. And here, here, here. There's another one there. Can't really see out back right now, but that big building there, that is the external garage that has tons of storage space. And then that's a fire pit area, but yeah, it's dark. I'll do an outdoor tour once I moved in and have my stuff up. But let's turn this off for now because I'm blinded. But let's go into the second bedroom. I'm getting disoriented. No, second bedroom's here. So this is the room I was thinking I would make my bedroom because it does not have a window to the east. And it also is the one that has a lot of hanging closet space. So I was thinking I'd make this my room and then put some kind of fabric panel or curtain or something across here to cover the closet. But the closet's got lots of hanging space. It's got cubby holes here to put all kinds of sheets and whatever you want to put, which is really cool. And then it already has blinds in here, so I don't even have to put blinds if I don't want to. I already brought up my Christmas tree and stuff so I can put it up this weekend. More crown molding. These are the rooms. See how they have the kind of ugly drop ceiling here? She said she's in the process of removing those, so maybe in the next couple of years she may be coming in here and doing a little bit more renovating. But for now, that's how it is. But that's okay. And I figured with the drop ceiling, that means the heat won't go so high up, so it'll be cheaper to heat the bedroom as well. Here is the bathroom. And Rudy, oh, I didn't realize that. Look at that. It has built-in little shelves in there. That's really cool. Oh, look at the shower. Oh, that is funky cool. I might not even use my shower head because that one looks amazing. Yeah, this is really nice. But Rudy can sit there on the tub like he likes to do and watch me. And just a toilet. I don't really like this green wall, but she seemed rather proud of it and I don't want to mess with it. So what I bought is, because I have a Gerber Daisy shower curtain, is I bought these awesome Gerber Daisy decals. So I'll have them going up the wall, and I think that will kind of break up the color a bit and they'll look really cute and happy. So simple way. And then if I do move from here, then I can just remove the decals, and if there's any paint peeled off, just touch it up. So simple way to update it. This medicine cabinet, she updated it by putting this frame around it, which I think is really cute. She took an old picture frame and put it around the medicine cabinet because she said it just looked kind of ugly and kind of like a hospital frame. And there's me, hi. This door is really cool. I like that door. But that's the bathroom. Over here is the linen closet, so more storage and even storage up there. And then if I really wanted to put things away for a while, if I go up there, it's a huge open space at the attic. So I'm not sure I'll bother because I have so much other storage space, but kind of a cool option if I need it. But look at all that space. This is the hot water heater, and I'm going to get I'm gonna figure out a way to secure this a lot better so nobody goes in there, and then I'm gonna put a piece of wood and attach it there to totally block that access there so nobody gets in there. Let's go to the now I'm lost. Oh, the third bedroom. The third bedroom is the one that will be the ferrets room, so they can have their cage set up here, have their toys on the ground, and maybe a cat perch in the window so the kitties can hang out, and all my kitty or ferret art can be on the wall, so they will have like their own dedicated room. More storage space up there, but I think I'm going to cover this up because I'm worried that Rudy would end up in the attic. So yeah, and I think she said the door is in there. So yeah, and then some more closet space here. But I think that is about the tour. But and again, this has the drop ceiling. But yeah, so tell me what you think of my new home. What's crazy is this place is almost twice the indoor square space than I had, square footage that I had at the last place. And monthly, I'm only paying $80 more, which is insane. Oh, there's a bookcase up here too she left, which is kind of cool. I don't think I'll put books up there because it's kind of hard to get to, but I think I'll put some of my kitty knickknacks. One thing I was thinking of doing with at least one of the rooms in this place is making it kind of steampunk industrial themed, so their shelves go right along with that. So maybe some different kind of steampunky stuff up there, but very cool. Yeah, there's like, I think there's 16 windows in this house, but thankfully the ones that matter, she's got blinds on already, and then I've got some curtains and blinds. But, oh, and this right here, which is really cool, is my piano. I have a 1918 Milton piano that an old client of mine gave me that was left behind in a house that he had purchased. And so it's been hiding in my ferret's room, and I started to learn how to play it, but I didn't really bother. But now it's gonna be like a total focal point in my living room, so I'm really excited about that. It'll be right here on this wall, and then I have 4 guitars. Oh, look at, I can do hand shadows on the wall. Oh, it doesn't show because, yeah, the light. Anyway, you can tell I had some coffee and I'm a little excited. And then I bought these special piano cups that will go on the bottom of the feet to protect them so they don't dent in the floor. And the landlord already had somebody come out and reinforce the beam here under that crawl space to make sure it's safe. And the reason there's a plug there is because once you get the piano in place, you won't be getting to this outlet. But what's cool is there's an outlet right there, so I may not even bother with that. Because, I mean, that could always come unplugged, and then what's the point of having an outlet there? I mean, a plug there. But anyway, I hope you like my new space. I'm very excited about it. You'll see lots of more pictures or videos of as I start decorating here. This weekend, I'll be running my rest of my food and my pets and everything else up this weekend, and then on the 15th the people from Pods are coming to pick up my container. So, oh, and I wanted to show you this floor. When she bought this place, it had this ugly vinyl tile, and she replaced it with this floor, which I think is so fucking amazing. Pardon my French, but I'm just like, I mean, totally, if I want to do like industrial theme, that is like absolutely perfect. It reminds me of the floors you'd see in some cool hip microbrewery, you know? But yeah, just so cool. Oh, I didn't even check out the dishwasher. Oh, it's like practically no. Oh, I gotta show you one more thing. Look at the washing machine. I'm so excited about this. She was laughing because I was squealing with the light. It's a brand new one. That's also only a year old. And like Rudy the kitten, he's just gonna sit here and like watch the wash go around. So anyway, can you tell I'm excited? And she left fresh herbs for me. I mean, how nice is that? It's like lavender and thyme and stuff. And she said she brought this from her home, and there was a little nice note with it. I found the nicest landlord ever. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, welcome to my new home. Let me know what you think.